Okay, hey Dakota.
Hi.
We're gonna try this new RevAir tool that we just got today, actually.
On me, I'm the first person.
You are the first person. Okay, so we set it up. We just set it up. We just put the wand on. This is the holder.
But the holder doesn't even work.
Well, we don't know if we're doing it right. I don't know. It's kind of big, but let's see. So we're gonna try. Let's take the towel off. And I washed your hair.
My crazy, crazy hair.
Okay, so we'll be back. We're gonna put it in sections and then see how it comes out. See you soon. Okay, starting the video again. I decided to just do a quick little section here. I took the unbrush just to kind of detangle it a bit. I put some, let's see, what is this? Kids Detangler on, and I'm about to put some of this blow dry cream. It's like a thermal protectant on it because they said don't put too much product, but I do want to at least put a little something. So I'm gonna just try this and see what happens. So I'm only putting about this amount on this section right here.
Succulent.
So I will be back once I apply the product, and I'll probably section this off into two. I'll show you in a minute the size that I'm gonna use for the blow dryer.
Okay, guys. Now we're about to try the RevAir. Oh, wrong way. Hold. RevAir. Dun 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 dun. You excited?
Yeah, actually I am. I've been wanting to try this for a couple of years now. So finally, get to try
We got
it.
the
And
RevAir.
you actually, what they call tender-headed, meaning you have a sensitive scalp. So often, like if it's too much tension, it's painful for you. So we're gonna see. They said this is good for people that are tender-headed, so let's just check it out.
Okay.
Let me dry my hands. Okay, and I got this size section. So let's see how it comes out. Go ahead and let's turn it on.
But they said 3 is the good, and then now it's on 8.
Oh yeah, we gotta put the setting. Actually, it's on 0.
Oh.
So how do you turn this thing on? Okay, so let's hit the plus sign. Now it's on 3. So move up some so I can try and yeah, that's good actually. I like you turn to the side. Turn to the side, this side a little bit too. Yeah, maybe some of your body cam. That's what I want to see. Don't sit on the cord. Why did you try this? So it pulls it in. We're gonna hold it for like 45 seconds. How does it feel?
It feels nice and hot. Hot.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it down and check to see. god. What's going on? Wait, hold on. Where you going? Hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. Okay, come here. Okay, that was like 45 seconds. Sit down for a second. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. And it's dry.
Wait, really?
Look at that. Can you believe that? Wow. Okay, so that was setting 3 and just 45 seconds. That's crazy. And look at it. You still can see like some of your natural texture, which I like. But that section is like completely dry. Wow. This is
a miracle worker.
this is a miracle worker.
I want to see it now.
Okay.
My turn.
She's back. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Okay. Where's the umbrush? No, don't comb with that little comb. Wow.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Wow.
Look at this.
It just guides right through. That's crazy. Crazy town. That looks good. Okay. So what do we think of the... Okay, she's gone again. So what do we think of it?
I love it. I'm going to use this in everyday life.
Okay. So did you feel like it was too hot? It was just a little hot?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
But like
it
when you
didn't
leave it there a little bit, then it gets too hot. But
okay. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you a different view of the same section. And wow. Just look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Let me do the other one since I split it in two.
this is the before.
No, hold on.
And this is the after.
I got the before right next to it. Turn around so they can see. Wow. Before.
After.
Move your hand. They can't see. Before and after. Same section, just split in two. Before and after. 45 seconds. That is unbelievable. Crazy. This shrinkage is real. This shrinkage is real. We usually do our hair in like a twist out, so this is actually really good to try to do some twist outs and like a stretch style. Okay. All right. Just wanted to show you that again.
Yes.
Here, stay still so we can see. And stand up. Let's do one shot with just you standing up. Turn. No, not turn so we can see the back. Wow. That is unbelievable. Crazy. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show these two sections that I did. So I got 1/4 of her hair done, and then I just twisted it real quick. What I'll do afterwards is oil her scalp. I didn't want to oil her scalp while the RevAir was going, but it already looks like really shiny and pretty. You can see right here. Okay. All right. I will do one final video to show you once her whole head is done. Okay, so I finished her hair. What I did was I went ahead and twisted it, turned a little bit to the side. I did braid this part down and then just like twisted the ends. And then, yeah, we'll put a silk bonnet on tonight. But let me see your hair. Yeah, but so far, still so good. I'm very, very pleased. This is like a game changer. All because of using this new dryer. I love it.